Nice one, guys. So basically, I'm going to make you guys a drink, which this one going to make, you have to drink this one before bed, okay? This one is for extra energy, all right? And all of these ingredients, it works, all right? And I'm gonna show you, walk you through it to show you exactly what you guys need to do to make this an amazing drink. Drink this before you go to bed, all right? Ready for action. So basically, 2 cloves of garlic, put it straight into your blender. I got a lovely little piece of a ginger. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to cut it up and put it straight inside of the blender. All right, so that's the ginger and the garlic. Now, I have 1 medium-sized carrot, which I'm gonna be using. And I'm gonna simply cut up my carrot. Okay, remove the skin, cut up a carrot, put it straight inside of your blender. Just like that, all right? Listen, guys, this is a fantastic recipe for you guys to drink before you go to your bed. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend it right now, okay? So I'll put roughly a cup of water in it. And trust me, 100% guys, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Drink this before you go to bed at night, okay? This is just like an extra energy. It works. Carrot and ginger with the garlic, them all on an amazing recipe for you. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to the blend. All right, so we're gonna make a little bit of a noise, okay? All right. So we're just gonna simply blend this. It won't take long, but it will be quick. All right. Nice one. All right, that's the way it look when you blend it, okay? All right, nice one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna strain it now, guys, because I'm telling you, trust me, this is a recipe for someone. You need to try this one 100%. All right, guys, yeah, someone need to give this one a perfect try. All right, it's a beautiful recipe, guys. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna strain it. We're gonna run it through our strainer just like this, okay? And it won't be long. It's just like so quick where you know what I mean, it's just an amazing. Take that liquid out of it and put the fiber aside. Nice one. So let's put this aside, all right? Beautiful one. Now what we're gonna do, we need to get the honey, okay? We're gonna put a little bit of a sweetener to it, just a little bit, not much. Okay, we're gonna put roughly about a half teaspoon of organic honey, or if you wanna use sweetener, and give it a little bit of just a sweet, because a lot of people may not be able to take that garlic, all right? I would encourage you, if you want to know what's the benefit, do your research. Google it, what's the benefit of garlic, ginger, and carrot. And an amazing drink, guys. 100%. All right, lovely. Now what we're going to do, pour this into a glass. And you want to drink that. Please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes coming and a lot more ideas, all right? This is a brand new recipe from Chef Ricardo, and 100% guys, you will love it, all right? It's simple, but trust me, it is effective. And that's exactly what we are talking about today, all right? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. And you know what I mean? As I said, we have so much recipe will be coming for you guys. As you can see, drink this before you go to bed tonight. Extra energy, here it is. Never go around. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye-bye.